Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to check GPU performance in Windows 11. It is very easy. Just go to Start menu. You can see here. Then search about task. Then you can see option of Task Manager application. Click on that. Then you will get this window. And the left side, you can see there is multiple tabs. First one is process. Second one is performance. Click on performance. Then you can see here there is CPU, memory, disk, and GPU 1, 0, and 1. Okay, and you can click that GPU for checking the performance. You can see here currently it is using 72%, and I have 16 GB dedicated memory on my GPU graphics. So in this way, you can easily identify currently the situation of your GPU performance, like temperature 48 degrees Celsius, and other information from here. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. Otherwise, you need a PC or Mac tutorial, you can also comment that. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.